Good evening, friends. I am Abhijit and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Listen, today we'll be discussing about how Nifty and Bank Nifty have performed today, that is 16th of June, weekly expiry, and how Nifty and Bank Nifty can perform tomorrow, that is 17th of June, Friday. Before we go to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let's look at the global indices. So yesterday we got a news from the Fed that Fed has going to increase the interest rate by 75 basis point, and it is one of the largest interest rate hike uh, done by Fed in the last couple of decades. So of course we saw a knee-jerk reaction, and because of that, what we are seeing today is all the indices across the globe are trading in red. If we talk about the European indices, Germany down by more than 3%, France down by more than 2%. If we talk about United Kingdom, all the indices are down by 3%. So Europe is bleeding. If we talk about China, China showed mixed signal. A couple of indices traded in green. A couple of them are trading in red. So if we talk about US particularly, all the indices are down by more than 2%. In fact, Nasdaq was earlier down by more than 4%. Right now, 3.9%. Dow Jones 2.35% and S&P 500 3%. So all the indices are down. So it looks like the decision by the Fed is not pretty much appreciated by the market. So that's why we are seeing this major global sell-off. If you go to the FII data for today, FII have sold 3,257 crores in the cash segment, and DIs have bought for 1,929 crores. It is almost uh, half of what FIs have sold. So if we talk about Nifty on a 15-minute chart, so what we saw today, we saw a huge gap up, and gap up was also good. It was approximately 140 points, and then from the very point of opening, we have seen a huge sell-off. Look at how the resistance which was broke, like the support which was broken, 15,670. From there, we have seen a huge sell-off, I would say. Okay, and it was a kind of market was falling like a free fall knife. Okay, look at the number of green candles which have been made. If I change it to 30, you will not see more than one or two green candles. So see, in fact, if I change it to 1 hour, you'll see all the candles are green, or I mean to say red. So that has happened today. So what is going to happen tomorrow? We are going to discuss that. So first of all, trade with less quantity. Okay. So let me tell you the levels for tomorrow. First, the first support is 15,250, followed by 15,150, and then 15,000. So these are the ultimate support levels for this weekly series. 15,000 can act as a good support. If that is broken, then of course we might slide down further to 14,500 and then 14,000. On the higher side, 15,430 is going to be the first resistance, followed by 15,500 and then 15,670. So of course, we need to see what is going to happen in the coming days. So there are a couple of gaps which Nifty has not filled, and I'm not very sure when the market will be filling this gap because we are approximately 600 points from 16,000 levels. So let's see. On the higher side, the resistance are very easy. I would say 15,500 followed by 15,670 and then 15,820. Let's look at the option chain to validate the levels. If we talk about the option chain, we are at 15,350. So in this weekly series, the data is less. So what we can say is let's keep a broader range for this weekly series. 60,000 is the weekly range followed by 15,000. But 15,000 is a weak support as of now. It might be broken. It might break. Okay. So on the Bank Nifty front, what we can see is Bank Nifty has shown some kind of strength. I would say Nifty has fallen more as compared to the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty followed 2.17%. However, I'm sorry, my bad. Bank Nifty was equally weak actually. Okay, so the first support is 32,550, followed by 32,400, and then 32,130. On the higher side, the first resistance is 32,850, followed by 33,000 and then 33,200. If this is broken, then we can see levels up to 33,600. Okay, so these are the levels. Let's look at the option chain. As of now, we are at 32,600. So the ultimate resistance for the market is 33,000 and 33,500 for this weekly series. On the support side, 32,000 can act as a good support for the Bank Nifty. That's all for this video, friend. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you want live market updates and stock recommendations, do follow my Telegram channel. Link will be given in the description below. Thank you.